This is the brief on purging heat-sensitive flexible plastics. Cleaning machines between materials is usually straightforward, but heat-sensitive stuff like silicone will completely ruin your next run with black specks and massive downtime without the exact right method. Why do we always end up with burnt residue? It's like trying to clean a non-stick pan by blasting it with a blowtorch. It literally just makes the mess worse. First, let's look at the absolute biggest trap operators fall into: fighting the mess with more heat. We naturally think more heat equals a faster melt, right? But with silicone, extra heat is your worst enemy, instantly causing thermal degradation, smoke, carbon buildup, and hours of downtime. Second, you've got to swap out standard carrier resin dilution for low-temperature mechanical purging. Diluting with carrier resin is like cleaning a muddy floor by pouring more water on it. You just spread the contamination around. Mechanical purges like Pecutherm ULT, working between 175 and 625 degrees Fahrenheit, soften into a thermoelastic mass that acts like a heavy-duty squeegee, physically scouring residue and pushing the mess out as one solid plug. Finally, the exact workflow is surprisingly simple. Stabilize your temperature to avoid heat spikes, and feed the mechanical purge directly in without soaking or waiting. Watch for dark carbon to be displaced, and the second it runs clean, transition immediately to your next material. Do you need a secondary cleanup or screw teardown? Absolutely not. You're instantly ready for the next run. By taking heat out of the equation and using a solid mechanical purge plug, you physically eliminate black specks and instantly resume production.